Hi, I'm Ajay Kolli, and this is my med school capstone project on midlife vision impairment and cognitive function in later life from the Michigan cohort of the study of women's health across the nation. In older adults, many studies have shown that poor vision is a risk factor for worsening cognitive function. In this study of 394 women, we sought to assess whether women with poor vision in midlife had worse cognitive function trajectories during a up to 20-year follow-up period in which they entered older adulthood. Visual acuity was assessed objectively at baseline, and participants were categorized as either having no or mild vision impairment versus moderate or severe vision impairment. 3 cognitive tests were assessed repeatedly during participants' follow-up to assess verbal episodic memory and working memory. Adjusting for age, race, education, financial strain, alcohol, and tobacco use, we used a linear mixed model to assess whether poor vision in midlife was associated with worse cognitive function as participants entered older adulthood. Participant baseline characteristics are shown in the top right corner of the poster. As you can see in the table on the left margin of the poster, those with moderate or worse vision impairment during midlife had significantly worse cognitive function scores on all 3 tests during their longitudinal follow-up. In addition to the scores themselves being lower, the figure in the center of the poster shows that those with moderate or worse vision impairment appeared to have steeper declines in cognitive function. However, as shown in the blue table in the right margin, the difference in the slopes of cognitive trajectories was not statistically significant, possibly because cognitive function declines relatively slowly during midlife. Altogether, this study expands on prior work that has reported a consistent association between vision impairment and cognitive function in older adults, demonstrating that this relationship may be present decades earlier in midlife. And identifying midlife risk factors for future cognitive decline is an important research priority. In midlife, there are effective interventions to improve and preserve vision, and future research should assess whether these types of interventions can also have benefits to improving or preserving future cognitive function as well. Thank you so much for your interest in this poster. If you're interested in more details, please see the bottom of the poster for links to the full article. Thank you.